See next topic, reaction forces. Reaction forces. So in this reaction forces, we are going to see Newton's third law. Newton's third law, that is law of reaction. Newton's third law, that is law of reaction. Law of reaction. According to this law, what it means, what he said. According to this law, what he said, all the forces will come in pairs. All the forces will come in pairs, and all the forces will come in pairs with opposite direction and equal magnitude is what Newton told. According to Newton's third law, so all the forces will come in pairs and opposite direction and equal in magnitude. For example, to understand this, suppose here we are having one table. So imagine this is our table. So in this table, suppose here we are going to keep one flower bar, one small tree. Okay, so something we kept here. So now the weight of this object is suppose 10 kg. Weight of this object is suppose 10 kg. Okay, remember 10 kg. Now this is floor. This is table. This is floor. See, this is floor. Okay, this is the floor. This is table. On top of table, that object is there. Now we are going to give that is simply I am giving this object tree. Plant. Okay, we kept one plant. Okay, one plant is there. Now the object which we kept on the table, it is going to give a force to the table, that is downward direction. Plant on table. What is the magnitude? 10 kg. Here we almost like that much force. To understand, simply I am saying magnitude. Usually force we are going to measure in newtons or maybe pounds, IB system. Okay. So here downward, plant on table. To oppose this, now table is going to give force to the plant, that is in this direction, upward. Table on plant. So how much force the plant is giving? Exactly same magnitude, exactly equal magnitude and opposite direction. We are going to get one more force here. Now this is not one force, two forces are there, so that's why it is in pairs. Okay, according to Newton's third law, forces will come in pairs and opposite direction. This is upward, this is downward. Opposite direction, equal magnitude. So this is Newton's third law. Now we can say these two forces are in linear force system. We discussed the linear force system. Linear force system means if two forces are acting on one object in same line, direction showed us same line. So that is linear force system. Now according to Newton's third law, so now we can say these two forces are reaction forces or reaction forces. Clear? Now we will come to one nice point. It is the conclusion for the all Newton's laws. Suppose now we are going to see Newton's law of inertia. One object is there. That object I am taking into my hand. Now this object is giving a kind of force to my hand. So to resist that, my biceps also giving a resistance force to that. So here the forces are in pairs, the opposite in direction, equal in magnitude. So here we are fulfilling Newton's third law is clear. Here only two forces are there, opposite in direction, equal in magnitude. Now forces are clear. Now we are coming to first law. First law is equilibrium. These two forces what we are getting here, one is downward because of this dumbbell, and one is upward because of my biceps muscle. So if these two forces, if this dumbbell is downward, biceps are upward. If these two forces are equal, equal in magnitude, opposite direction, the sum of these two forces will become zero. Object will be equilibrium in this same position. Suppose here equal magnitude. What if it change? If my biceps is going to produce more magnitude, then it has to move on my direction. This is Newton's second law of acceleration. If it is going downward, if it is going downward because of dumbbell weight, that is also Newton's second law. So here the point is, if we are touching an object, so between these two objects, between our hand and object, here reaction forces will happen. Newton's third law. If the reaction forces are equal in the magnitude, opposite direction, the object will be equilibrium. That is Newton's first law. If any force is magnitude is more compared to another magnitude, then the object will move on that direction. Then that is Newton's second law of acceleration. Clear? This is about Newton's laws.